Hayibo bafowethu. Hayibo bafowethu. Yazi into engiyibone ku newsroom like right now, like into engiyibone ku newsroom, it's so shocking bafowethu. Like South African kids are experiencing apartheid. Ngo-2026, they're experiencing apartheid bafowethu. Kids are experiencing apartheid, guys. Ngo-2026. They don't have space. The district is so packed like nobody's business. So if ey'kolweni kugcwele abobani? Guys, abantwana bethu, they are experiencing apartheid right before our eyes. Like, I can't believe this is happening. Like, I can't believe this ukuthi on Wednesday, ama-parents wama-illegal immigrants nabantwana abama-illegal immigrants, they are going to school. While abantwana bama-South Africans, they will be queuing a district. Bafunela abantwana babi space. Guys, this is apartheid. This is apartheid. Like, our kids are being discriminated in their own country. Yo, hayi siyoze simuzwe uJacinta bafethu. Yazi siyoze simuzwe. And the funny part ukuthi some of the parents abafolile khona laphayana e-district. Emajardini wabo. Baqhashisa bona labantu. And their kids, they are going to school on Wednesday. Hi guys, we are not angry enough. We are not angry enough, guys. This is apartheid. Let that sink. Apartheid le siphila kuyo ke manje. Yo, sis Jacinta. Uyazwakala mholi. Ngiyakuzwa mina mholi, ngikuzwa kahle.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisesilana she speaking about insabe ukuthi etikoleni bantu labaningi bala South Africa abanato dibase, bantu abanedibase or already bantu lese baregistiwe, bantu labangasibalana eSouth Africa uthi nako sithena into mass strangers in our own country. Bantu labangasibala South Africa kuba ngazuthi sengibo ma South Africans, so uyasho ukuthi cry my beloved country because what is this? So people have been complaining ngenzabe ukuthi etikolweni kuyagqwala bathola ibase, but bantu bokufika bona ohlezi batithola ibases vile uSiril Ramaphosa ushilo ukuthi bantu abangaqoshi bantu bokufika etikolweni abanganqabeli bantu bokufika futhi ukuthi bangaregister etikolweni because kude umuntu kufanele bamdeny access to education, and people are really angry ukuthi what do you mean ukuthi thina ngqono kube ngithi lesingafunzi but bantu bokufika bona bathole ibase etikolweni. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.